Friends, as we have explained the concept of integers, now we are going to start with our first exercise of integers, that is exercise 1.1 of page number 8. The first question of that exercise is represent 3 plus 5 on a number line and take out the answer. For that, what you have to do? Make one number line with 0 in the center, 1, 2, 3, 4 all positive numbers on one hand side and all negative numbers on the left hand side. Now what is the first number? First number is 3. So where is 3? 1, 2, 3. Here you will draw one circle plus 5. How many jumps are here? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 jumps, we reach 8. So our answer is 8. Okay. Now question number 2. In question number 2, it is said that in a given place called Roorkee at 7 a.m., the temperature was 15 degrees Celsius. But by the midnight, it goes to 6 degrees Celsius. Similarly, there was a place called Haridwar where at the same time in 7 a.m. the temperature was 10 degrees Celsius and till midnight it reached 6 degrees Celsius. Now we have to tell which fall is greater. Means there is a fall in the temperature but the temperature is same in the midnight. But we have to check which fall is greater. So how you are going to start? First you will write what is given. Temperature in Roorkee at 7 a.m. it is 15 degrees Celsius. Then temperature till midnight it is 6 degrees Celsius. Therefore temperature in Roorkee by midnight, how much it will be? Temperature fall in Roorkee, it is 15 degree minus 6 degree. It will be 9 degrees Celsius. Similarly, temperature in Haridwar at 7 a.m. was 10 degrees Celsius. Temperature till midnight reaches 6 degrees Celsius. So, therefore, temperature fall in Haridwar 10 degrees Celsius minus 6 degrees Celsius, that is 4 degrees Celsius.
Go.
Now see, 9 degree is greater than 4 degree. It means what? Fall in Roorkee is greater than fall in Haridwar. Though the temperature is same, but from higher to lower, fall is greater in Roorkee. So therefore, 9 degree is greater than 4 degrees Celsius. It means temperature fall in Roorkee is greater than temperature fall in Haridwar. Though the temperature at midnight is same, but the temperature goes down more in Roorkee as compared to Haridwar. And by how much? For that we will subtract. 9 degree minus 4 degree means 5 degree. In Roorkee temperature fall more is 5 degree. Now question number 4. In question number 4, it is given that sum of two integers is minus 13 and one integer is minus 2. Means sum is given, one integer is given, we have to find the other integer. So let other integer be x. Now what is the given condition? According to given condition, sum of two integers is minus 13. One integer is x, another integer I have put it minus 2 because it is given in the question. So x plus in the bracket minus 2. You should always remember we cannot write two signs simultaneously. We have put one bracket between them. So x plus in the bracket minus 2 is equal to minus 13. Now what we will do? We will put this minus 2 from left hand side towards the right hand side. But while moving, the sign changes. What is the sign? Here it is getting added with x. Here it will get subtracted from x. So it will become minus 13 minus, and minus 2 is itself an integer. So minus 13 minus minus plus 2. Minus 13 plus 2 is minus 11. We should always remember here signs are different. So there will be subtraction, but sign will be of the bigger number. Which one is bigger? 13 is bigger, so the sign is here minus. So the other integer is minus 11. 6. In question number 6, there is a Sudha which goes 30 kilometer. Now you have to clear it here. This is east, this is your west. Now Sudha starts from here. First you will understand the concept, what question is saying. What the question is saying, that Sudha starts from P and goes towards east 30 kilometer. Then on the same road, Sudha from Q towards the destination goes 50 kilometer. Now the question is asking, if the distance towards east is represented by positive sign, then what will you represent the distance traveled towards west, and by which integer will you represent final position from P? Final position is here. So what and by which integer you will represent that? Now we will do the question. First understand it that this is east and this is west. Here will be positive integers, here will be negative integers. From P towards the Q. So we can say that P is the 0 of the number line. Okay. So on the right hand side of the P it will be positive integer. On the left hand side of the P it will be negative integer. So distance towards east is positive. Therefore distance towards west is negative. Relative number is P. Okay. So you can consider P as a 0 for your understanding. Now from distance from P to Q is plus 30 because it travels 30 kilometers from P to Q. Now again it comes back from Q to the final position. So we will represent it by the negative integer. Okay. Now what will be the distance from P? What will be the distance from P? Till P here she has travelled 30 kilometers. So 30 will be positive. Beyond P it will be negative. So it will be minus 50 plus 30 because till 30 it is denoted by positive integer. So answer is minus 50 plus 30, that is equal to minus 20. So therefore we will represent by minus 20. The integer will be represented by minus 20. Now question number 7 is very easy. You can do by yourself. There is nothing to do. Profit is given, loss is given. You have to calculate the net profit or loss. Now question number 8. Now here we have to verify that P minus Q, in the bracket is also minus, outside the bracket is also minus, is equal to P plus Q. Now P is equal to 4 and Q is equal to minus 2. Now left hand side is, what is the equation on left hand side? It is P minus Q. Now what is P here? It is 4 minus, but the integer itself is minus 2. So instead of Q we will write minus 2. Now there are 3 minus on the same time. So we will bifurcate it by the bracket sign. Now we know minus into minus is plus. So it will become 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. This is our first equation. Now right hand side is equal to P plus Q. That is 4 plus, what is the Q? Q is minus 2. So we will put here minus 2. Now 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2.
2 minutes.
From first and second, that previous equation of first and second we get left hand side is equal to right hand side because both the answers were coming 2. So therefore our equation P minus in the bracket minus Q is always equal to P plus Q. Now question number 9, we have to solve and find the solution. What is the first A part? Minus 438 plus in the bracket minus 504 minus in the bracket integer is minus 7004. Now what we will do first, we will open the brackets. This will become minus 438 as it is, plus into minus we know it is minus, so it will become minus 504, minus into minus is plus 7004, minus what here, same sign 150 plus 750 plus 400. We will add it up. What will be the answer? 2300. Here